Okay.
Don't show this shit to everybody. Okay. Cinnamon.
The cinnamon challenge. We're going to see if it's successful or complete fail.
Got my motherfucking water. Shit, your mama coming. I don't want to spit this shit on the floor.
Make sure you get the whole spoon. It has to be the...
Damn. Oh, hell no.
Listen, it has to be the spoon. You can't cheat.
That's enough. Oh my gosh. Look at all these motherfuckers. Oh, fuck. Alright.
Come to the sink.
Hold on.
I'm scared. I'm scared for you.
I'm gonna eat this. I can't fucking breathe. Oh.
The cinnamon challenge, mama. The cinnamon